Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Scanguru app works and what makes it useful for students, educators, and professionals who regularly deal with documents and exams. Scanguru is a document scanning and OCR, optical character recognition, app designed to quickly scan, digitize, and organize documents using your mobile device. It allows users to capture high-quality scans of papers, books, notes, and even answer sheets, converting them into PDF or image formats. One of the core features is its automatic edge detection and enhancement, which improves the clarity and readability of the scanned files. What sets Scanguru apart is its OMR scanning function, allowing users to scan bubble sheet answer forms and get instant evaluation results. This is especially useful for teachers, tutors, and coaching institutes who regularly conduct mock exams. The app supports multiple OMR formats and processes results in seconds, reducing manual checking time significantly. Another key feature is its document organization and cloud backup support. Users can tag and categorize documents and save them directly to services like Google Drive or Dropbox. The app also includes multi-language OCR support, which recognizes and extracts text from scanned images in various languages, making it helpful for a broader user base. Pros of the Scanguru app include its fast and accurate OMR evaluation, reliable scanning quality, and seamless export options. Users also appreciate the app's user-friendly layout and its value in academic settings. However, some users have pointed out that the free version is limited in terms of scan count and cloud backup access, and others have mentioned occasional bugs during the scanning of thicker documents. Recent feedback highlights how Scanguru has become a time saver for many educators, especially those handling multiple answer sheets daily. Users have praised its speed, accuracy, and usefulness during test season, while others have requested more customization features and better compatibility with certain paper sizes. In conclusion, Scanguru is a practical and efficient scanning tool with special benefits for the academic and exam prep community. Its OMR capabilities and clean interface make it stand out from standard scanning apps. If you're an educator, student, or professional looking to digitize and evaluate documents quickly, Scanguru is worth checking out. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.